Hey there, welcome to Her Legacy and Legacy Tax Hub. I'm excited to announce that we just created very amazing products under our platform. And the one I want to talk about today is the tax calculator, which you can be able to access from our resources hub. You simply go to tax calculator and you have access to it. One of the reasons why I'm so excited for this is because it's not just one solution or one obligation. It gives you the option of all calculators. You get to calculate VAT, you get to calculate PAYE, and in terms of PAYE, you get to calculate it in different ways. As an employee, what is my net pay? As an employee, how much do I get deducted? As an employer, you get to calculate what exactly is your payroll cost, because aside from what you pay, what you stipulate to an employee is their gross pay, there are employer costs as well, which tends to be housing levy that you match, NSSF that you match, and NITA, which is purely an employer cost. With this calculator, it helps you know when you're hiring how much exactly you're going to be paying besides the pay that is agreed on, right? So you get to check on that. Then as individuals, you get to come here and see how much tax you'd be paying if there's a point where you need to pay tax, because different tax obligations have different tax liability to them. Let's say employment income essentially is final unless someone is working in more than 2 jobs. So, but you find people who have employment, they have business consultancy, they have rental income and other stuff. So this calculator enables you to populate all of it and have a rough idea. Away from that, you also have the corporate income tax calculator, where you would put in your figure. So with all these angles of the calculator, whatever figures you get to put, it simulates essentially what will be your tax payable on this end of it. And then you're able to put in a rough estimate of the sales, cost of sales, expenses that are allowable, which includes the salaries and wages, rent and utilities, and all that there. And then when it's all said and done, it will tell you how much you would be calculating or how much you'll be paying, and you're able to do your tax planning. So one of the points of these calculators is to help you do mad tax planning, right? So you go as an individual, those people who are in remote jobs, here you go, you come, put in the figure that you're earning annually, and then now you put in any other expenses. You can't be doing pension contributions as an individual. You get it to be allowable up to 360,000 in a year. You have insurance that you're paying, life insurance, education insurance, every element of it. If you're paying some mortgage, everything you put there, and then you come and see essentially how much tax you'll be paying, and you're able to plan for it. I hope you enjoy this, explore this. You get to see it from different angles. After here, if you need to book a consultation, just click here and you'll be able to book a consultation with us. Or click here, it takes you back to either our website. If you had accessed it from our Legacy Tax Hub platform, you click here, it will take you back to the platform where you'll be able to access your account and check everything else that you need, right? So happy exploring and have an amazing day.